What's up, my friends? I'm Henrik. I love food. Today,
breading, and for that we need flour, a few eggs, and obviously breadcrumbs. Here you can see I cracked open 2 eggs. I actually ended up needing one more to get the last pork chop done. Obviously, you can use whatever your preferred whisking tool is. I was lazy and I just grabbed a fork. You could actually just use your fingers if you'd like, and it'll still turn out just fine. All right, let's add some spice to the breadcrumbs. First up, we've got some garlic powder. Here we've got some ground pepper. Next up, we have some paprika, followed by some cayenne pepper. And for a little bit of kick, we're adding a little bit of jalapeno powder. So now it's time to mix it all up. I don't like to use utensils for this, so I just do this tossy thing. Stir it around a little bit, play with it a little bit, you know. It'll all get mixed pretty evenly. It's mildly therapeutic to do it. Now it's finally time to pan fry the pork chops, pork fries rather. And we're going to do this by adding some olive oil into the non-stick pan. Turn up the heat a little bit. So the way this works is the way you would typically bread any kind of meat. We're going to dip it in flour, then dip it in the egg, dip it in the breading, and then toss it in the pan. I'll show you a few of these just to give you a sense of the amount of effort or lack thereof that it takes to do these pork fries. As well as how gloriously messy my hand is getting here. Off camera, this of course can be done much faster, which I do recommend. We'll just finish off this pork chop for a good measure. Always got to do the tip as well. Make sure each piece is covered entirely in breading and spices. So we skipped forward a little bit. Here's my hand after breading about 3 pork chops. 3 pork chops worth of pork fries. As you can see, I may have let the one side in there too long, but it looks much worse than it is. They taste fantastic. You just have to be careful with the breadcrumbs, which I clearly need more practice with. That piece turned out all right. At this point, the whole kitchen smells amazing. Here we are a few minutes later, and it's time to cut one of these open. As you can see, it's very juicy inside, ready to eat. I couldn't help myself. I was gonna wait until the display, the fancy food display, but I had to eat a piece and it was really delicious. And now it's finally time to eat it for real.
This is so delicious. Has a good kick to it. It's I might slice these in half next time so that they're more traditionally ratioed fries, but holy crap. Pork fries. It's fucking delicious. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, tell me what you think. I'm just gonna continue eating. Totally making this again.